Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Charge them and join the same Wi-Fi so transfers stay fast and stable. On Android, install the Move to iOS app and update both phones. This avoids compatibility hiccups. Make sure you know your Apple ID and that the iPhone has enough free storage for the incoming content. Once done, factory reset or start the iPhone setup until you see apps and data, then choose Move Data from Android to begin the handoff. You'll now complete the middle steps. Open Move to iOS on Android, accept permissions, and enter the code displayed on the iPhone to pair the devices. Select specific categories to transfer so you control time and storage. Contacts, messages, photos, videos, and accounts are common choices. While data moves over the local network, keep both screens on and stay near the Wi-Fi router. If you have lots of media or many messages, expect the transfer to take long. Once the transfer completes, finish the iPhone setup by signing into your Apple ID and installing suggested apps. Some Android apps will map to their iOS equivalents, but must be redownloaded. Check that contacts, photos, and messages arrived and sign into Google and other accounts to reattach mail and calendars. Make sure iMessage and FaceTime are set up with your number. If anything failed, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart both phones. Confirm they are on the same Wi-Fi, then rerun Move to iOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.